that is a big machine. Wow.
Hey, excuse me, we have a job for you?
A job for me?
Yeah. Just move that pile of dirt there.
With a shovel?
Yeah.
I don't believe we've met.
My name's Frank.
How do you do, Frank? See, I'm construction foreman, Dave.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, we all have to start somewhere,
Foreman.
and there you go.
You want me to move this pile of dirt with this shovel? Seems to me if I was going to move a pile of dirt, I ought to be using one of those, not a shovel. Shovel. I'm construction foreman, Dave. I am not moving a pile of dirt with a shovel. No way. A mighty bulldozer. Let's push some dirt around. What's next? All right, a backhoe. Well, I handled that pretty well, huh? Heck, I guess you could say old construction foreman Dave could just about handle any job on any construction site. Oh, jeez, the loader. Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! I don't want to drive the big. Get me out of here!
Foreman
Get me
Dave.
out of here!
Wake up. You've been
Right.
dreaming.
I was dreaming. Boy, I was dreaming.
Yeah, and you still haven't moved this pile of dirt.
Listen, I'm sorry about that. You really have to be careful around these big
Yeah,
machines.
you sure
don't
do.
you?
You hurt yourself.
All right, I'll move the dirt.
Do that.
Thanks. Move the dirt. Move the dirt with the shovel. No problem. No problem at all. I like the shovel. I like. Well, we've had lots of fun learning about construction sites, and how they use these big pieces of equipment. But if you want to learn more, remember, you can always learn more at your local library. They've got books on everything. So until next time, this is Construction Foreman Dave saying, if you're going to visit a construction site, always wear your hard hat. See you next time.